If you are always broke even after earning money, the problem is not your salary. It's something deeper you are doing every day. Most people think being broke is about how little they earn.
But in reality, many people who earn well still end up broke before the month ends. So the real issue is not income, it's behavior. The first reason is lifestyle spending. The moment money enters your hand, it starts leaving immediately.
Food, data, transport, clothes, entertainment. You are not controlling your money. Your money is controlling you. The second reason is lack of financial planning. When you don't plan your money, everything becomes urgent. And when everything is urgent, your money disappears faster than expected. The third reason is emotional spending. You spend when you are happy. You spend when you are sad. You spend when you are bored. So money becomes emotional, not intentional. The solution is simple but powerful. Control your spending. Set a basic budget. And always separate needs from wants. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. If you understand this, you are already ahead of most people financially. Subscribe to Money Theory for simple lessons on money, wealth, and financial growth.